everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of a catapult. For making a catapult, you'll need a slap band, a plastic spoon, something to test the catapult with, and 2 pieces of tape. To make the catapult, you'll need to tape the spoon on the back of the slap band. You may need 1 or 2 pieces of tape. You can use more, but I'm going to use 2. And you're done. Keep something in the spoon part, and then you can shoot. Make sure you have somebody to test this catapult on. Just kidding. Make sure you don't hurt anybody. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Thank you.